Hey, welcome back to Rodgers Labs. Is cloud computing the perfect solution, or does it come with some hurdles? In part 4 of our cloud computing playlist, we're diving into the benefits and challenges of using the cloud. Let's explore what makes it awesome, and what to watch out for. Let's start with the benefits. First, cloud computing saves money. Instead of buying expensive servers, you pay only for the resources you use, like renting a car instead of owning one. Second, it's scalable. You can add more storage or power instantly, perfect for growing businesses. Third, accessibility. With the cloud, you can access your data or apps from anywhere with an internet connection. Whether you're a startup or a student, the cloud makes powerful tech affordable and flexible. Here's an example. Imagine a startup launching an online store using Amazon Web Services. They don't need to buy servers up front, saving thousands of dollars. When their website gets a sudden spike in traffic, like during a sale, the cloud scales up instantly to handle it. Plus, the team can manage everything from their laptops, anywhere in the world. That's the power of cloud computing in action. Now, let's talk challenges. First, security. Storing data in the cloud can risk breaches if not managed properly, so strong encryption is key. Second, internet dependency. No internet, no cloud access, which can be a problem in remote areas. Third, vendor lock-in. Once you build your system with one provider, like AWS or Azure, switching to another can be tricky and costly. These are hurdles businesses need to plan for when going cloud. Picture this. A company relies on the cloud for their app, but an internet outage leaves their team unable to access critical data. Or their cloud provider has a rare service disruption, causing downtime. These issues show why businesses need backup plans, like offline options or multi-provider strategies, to avoid disruptions. Understanding these challenges helps you use the cloud wisely. Next, we'll see how the cloud powers real-world applications. That's a wrap on the benefits and challenges of cloud computing. If you're loving this series, smash that subscribe button and turn on notifications for Rodgers Labs. In our final video, we'll explore how cloud computing powers industries like entertainment and healthcare. Don't miss it.